Do you know you can convert your YSL clutch to a YSL wallet on chain? So if you want to know more, watch this video. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is an update video of the YSL clutch, how I convert it to a wallet on chain. If you did not watch my last video where I unboxed this beautiful bag, then please go back to my channel and watch that video. On that video I mentioned why I bought this bag, the clutch, because I bought this one in the intention of using it as a wallet on chain. And finally, I received my insert for this YSL clutch from the HC. It took few weeks to get it from, I think she sent it from China, I'm not sure. But yeah, it took some weeks and yeah, let's get started how I convert this. So I ordered this insert from the HC. I only ordered the insert without the chain because I already had a chain, which I mentioned in the original video of the when I unboxed this YSL clutch, that I had one chain. So I only need to use that chain with this hook. So I only ordered this insert for making this clutch to a wallet on chain. Anyway, so how it works, I did not realize that the insert would be so big. It fits most of the bag size. I thought it will come in a smaller size. And in my video, I mentioned that previous video, I am planning to put that insert inside this slip side pockets. And then I want to make it as a crossbody bag. But when I received this one, I was a little bit surprised that this one is actually a big one. Okay, first of all, a little update, a review about this this insert. It's actually a felt paper which they crafted is as an insert, but it's really very well made. I am very happy and satisfied with this insert. They even put a chain here, a practical chain where you can actually use this chain also when you're using this bag for crossbody bag, and also you can put your stuffs here also. This is very helpful. Let me show you how. Okay, so you open your bag and you place that insert to your you just place the insert in one side of your bag like this, so that it can actually almost like the same size for this bag. And then you need to add the chain. So how I add the chain here, because on my last video I mentioned this is a chain from St. Charles and Keith bag, which you need to just place like this in this hole. Okay, and the other side. Like this, and then just close the bag and so this become a wallet on chain. I'm not sure you can see that properly. Yeah, so something like that. It's become a wallet on chain. So then you can wear it as a shoulder bag or a crossbody, or maybe if you want to use it as a small bag, then like the others, you can also crisscross this one and make it a small shoulder bag. And small shoulder bag, and also and also you can use this as a kind of a fancy wristlet bag. Just make this long chain. At first you need to make this long chain as a figure of 8, then just put it here, and then you do have the short chain like that, so you can wear it at hand or crook of your arm. So yeah, you can wear it in many ways. Now coming to this insert, what I realize when I place this insert, and because it's actually not attached perfectly, though the snug is very good, but when I fill my other stuff with this bag, then the bag became heavier. So if I open the bag and I want to move, sometimes the the insert is sometimes just move a bit and it comes up. Though the snug is very well, it did not pull out completely. I mean, it did not come out completely, but sometimes a little bit. When your bag is filled with the other stuff, then when you open the bag, because now your bag is on your shoulder, and it's actually, this is the one which holding your whole bag. So sometimes it's come up. So I found a solution for that, and it's good that they make this insert in such a way so that you can easily overcome this. So whatever you are carrying with your bag, for me specifically, I carry my small wallet. So what I did, I placed my small wallet in the pocket they have provided here, the outside. Can you see? Yeah. So for a better look, so just like that. So there is also a slip pocket with this. So if the wallet is perfectly fit in this pocket. So if I place my wallet in this slip, so this one became heavier, so, and it pulled its weight towards the bag. I mean, I hope you can understand. It doesn't make any sense. I guess yes, because it's heavier, so it's keep this insert to stay on its place. And yeah, so like that, if you are just placing this one like this, and then even if you open your bag and your chain is on your shoulder, the wallet actually placing its weight on this insert, so it doesn't come out easily. And still after that, there are many spaces for your phone, your keys, and everything. You can fit everything perfectly. Even in a plus, they gave a chain here, so it's usable chain, so you can also use some cash or any important thing also in this chain. So for me, I am 100% satisfied with this. It becomes actually a crossbody bag, and the length is perfect for the crossbody bag, so it's become a bag. This one, the wallet on chain on this same bag is, I think, double the price compared to the clutch. I will put the price list on the screen, so you will understand that if you bought the clutch, and then I know that all the bags we are using has the chain. It's not necessarily you need to use the same chain. You can use any chain, even the leather strap. You can also use the leather strap in it. And yeah, you could just use this insert and use it, make this clutch bag. How cool is that? I don't know who invented it and who discovered it, but whoever did it, thank you so much, so that we could have saved a lot of money on the designer items and get the 100%, you know, the effectiveness, or 100% the vibes of using a very expensive bag in a very cost effective way. Does that make sense? I guess yes. So that's the update for today. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please press the like button and also subscribe